Welcome to Learnt.ai. In this video, I will demonstrate how you can convert your video and audio files into transcriptions, activities, lesson plans, poems, and more using the Scribe tool on Learnt.ai. Once you're logged in, select Generate Content to access the available generation tools. Navigate to the left menu and choose Support, then select the Scribe tool. On the generation screen, click the button to select the file you want to use as the basis for your content. Next, choose your desired output. The Scribe tool offers various text outputs, such as full transcriptions, bespoke handouts, summaries, sets of questions, and more. After confirming the correct file, click Upload. A progress bar will indicate the upload progress. Once the file is uploaded, click Generate and patiently wait a few minutes for your content to be generated. Please note that file uploads are limited to 25 megabytes. If your file exceeds this size, we recommend compressing it before uploading. Now, you have a group activity designed around the content of your video. You can save the outputs or copy them to your clipboard. Saved outputs will be stored in your account. We hope you enjoyed this demonstration video and find the Scribe tool helpful. Thank you for watching.